How should you organize your API tests? I recommend starting with an authentication folder. This folder sits at the top of the collection. It contains all types of authentication requests, and it should be in a folder even if there's only one request. This keeps the authentication folder at the top of the collection. Then each endpoint should have its own folder, organized by the HTTP verb and the endpoint description, such as add contact or get contact list. Then you should have positive and negative request subfolders inside each endpoint folder. For endpoints with many request options, each positive and negative folder can include subfolders, such as user levels, query parameters, or required and non-required fields in the body of the request. It can also be helpful to have a smoke test folder that includes one basic request for each endpoint. So it should include an authentication request and then one request for each endpoint. This can be used for a quick sanity check whenever changes are made to the API, or can provide a quick check whenever server changes are made. Then there should be an environment variable file for each application environment, such as QA, stage, or production. The variables should be specific for each environment. This makes it easy to switch between environments when testing. So how should you organize your API tests? You should have an authentication folder, a folder for each endpoint, subfolders for positive and negative tests, subfolders for authorization and query parameters, a smoke test folder, and then environment variables for every environment.